In this video, I will show you how to fix your Google Play not responding. If your Google Play is not responding, here's what you can do. First of all, make sure that your internet connection is stable. After that, simply go to settings. Scroll down below until you find apps, then click on it. Then go to app management. From here, in the search bar, search for Google Play. First of all, click on Google Play Services. From here, click on Force Stop, then continue it. After that, go to Storage Uses, then click on Clear Cache, then go back, click on Data Uses. Make sure Disable Wi-Fi or Disable Mobile Data is not turned on. Then let's go back again. Then go to Google Play Store, click on it. From here, click on Force Stop, then click on Continue or Confirm it. Then click on Data Uses. Make sure Disable Wi-Fi or Disable Mobile Data is not turned on. Then go to Storage Uses. Click on Clear Cache written in bright red. After that, you can simply clear off Google Play Store from your recent apps and then open it. Or what you can do is click and hold on to your power button. Then slide this menu upwards, then restart your phone. After that, your Google Play Store or Google Play services should start working. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.